This is a Dell-XPS-M1210 laptop. This is the only Dell XPS that I found when I was trash picking computers and other electronic equipment. I actually had a number of other XPS computers, but most of those are gone now. This is the Ethernet port. That's the system battery. That's for the AC adapter. This is for a Kensington lock. That's for the dial-up modem. 2 USB ports. TV out. That's just the heat sink for processor. The switch for the wireless card. Express card slot. Hard drive. The hard drive. But there's currently an SSD in there. And this is the front of the computer. And this is the optical drive. That's for a flash memory. This is for FireWire, 2 more USB ports. This is for a VGA monitor. And this is the bottom of the Dell-XPS M1210. We have the bay for the wireless, for WLAN and WWAN card modules. We have the memory bay, the system battery. This is the service tag. This is the COA for Windows XP Media Center Edition 2000 and 2006. That's pretty much it for the bottom of the computer. This is actually the old motherboard that was in the Dell-XPS-M1210. I actually had to replace it because there are at least 2 problems with it. I guess the first is that the battery wouldn't charge, and the second was that the integrated network interface adapter had apparently died. This is the slot for the DDR2 memory module. As far as I know, both of the memory slots worked, but it was only a matter of time before they died. as usually happens on a defective motherboard. This is the slot for the processor. It's I believe it's a socket 478 laptop processor, even though the processor for this system is a Intel Core 2 Duo. And this is the underside of the Dell-XPS-M1210 motherboard. There are actually two versions of the Dell-XPS-M1210. There was a more expensive version with discrete NVIDIA graphics and a integrated webcam, and there was a less expensive version that had Intel integrated graphics and no webcam. And the less expensive version is the one that I found at the recycling center. This motherboard is a GU059. I believe there's also a YH674 motherboard for the Dell XPS-M1210. These are the slots for the WWAN, WLAN modules. This is the BIOS for the Dell XPS-M1210. The processor is an Intel Core 2 Duo, 1.83 gigahertz. There are 4 gigabytes of memory. The primary hard drive is a 64 gigabyte SSD. The video controller is listed as being Intel 945 GM graphics. And as you can see, it's almost 4 a.m. in the morning. And as you can see, I've successfully installed Windows 7 64-bit on this this laptop. Just to reiterate, the processor is an Intel Core 2 Duo T5600 at 1.83 gigahertz, 4 gigabytes of RAM, even though only 3.24 gigabytes are usable due to, I guess, some type of hardware limitation, probably chipset related. And that's going to be all for this video.